up XRP Ripple coin holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, friends. Once again I'm present with the latest update of the XRP Ripple coin. What's going on this time in XRP? In this video I will show you, friends, but before starting this interesting video, I request everyone to please subscribe and now ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos. Now at this time, if we look the price chart of the XRP, if we look the technical analysis of the XRP, so now at this time you can see on the screen everything is going positive, my friends. As I told you in my previous video that the whole chain is will become a positive, so sound like that awkward. Now this time the whole chain is going positive. I'm feeling very happy and I'm excited, very excited for this jump of the XRP Ripple. And finally you see on the screen the price chart of the XRP at this time going very positive, my friends. Anyways, my friends, if you look the latest update of the XRP, so first of all I request everyone, if you are new to my channel, so please subscribe now and like this video. Thank you so much for subscribing ABS Tech channel. I hope you all subscribe my channel, so thank you so much, my friends. Anyways, let's move on and let's see the latest update of the XRP. My friends, you can see now on the price chart, so let me show you, friends. The price is occurring in the XRP as going positive. The whole chain is going positive. Absolutely, the last 1 hour pricing is 1.6% going positive. Only last 1 hour. I'm talking about the last 1 hour. Oh my goodness, I can't believe that. That is the XRP. Oh my goodness, I don't excited that is the XRP Ripple coin. Oh my goodness. Anyways, the last 20 pricing is also positive. 1.31% changes is going positive. And same like that, the positive 2.27% pricing is going positive and the XRP Ripple coin, my friends. So that's clear. That's it, my friends, that the price change at this time, that is the latest update of the XRP. At this time the price is absolutely going positive, my friends. So that is my prediction, that is my analysis of the XRP Ripple coin. My friends, at this time, what should you do? People ask me this question many times, that what should we do at this time when XRP is starting jumping. So what should we do at this time? It's clear, my friends, when the XRP Ripple coin start jumping, so it's time to hold, my friends. Not only XRP Ripple coin, any cryptocurrencies when start jumping, so please do your research about that is they continue this jump for a long time or not. After that, you have to decide that it is the time to buy, sell or hold XRP Ripple coin. Anyways, what is your personal opinion? What is your prediction about XRP? Please share in the comment box. And also don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel, because ABS Tech channel updates you every time that what is a better decision for all of you, friends. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay connected with the ABS Tech channel. Let's see you in next video, my friends. Thank you so much for